Tips for creating perfect gallery wall. Step into the world of gallery wall creation where blank walls transform into dynamic showcases of personality and memories. From selecting artwork to arranging it with finesse, join us as we explore the tips to craft a gallery wall uniquely yours. 1. Plan your layout. Before you start hanging anything, plan out your gallery wall layout. You can do this by laying out your frames and artwork on the floor to experiment with different arrangements until you find one you like. Consider the overall shape and balance of the arrangement. 2. Choose a theme or cohesive style. Decide on a theme or cohesive style for your gallery wall to ensure it looks unified. This could be a color scheme, a specific subject matter, or a particular art style. 3. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix different types of artwork and frames. Combining various sizes, shapes, and styles can add visual interest and depth to your gallery wall. 4. Create a focal point. Choose one or two pieces of artwork to serve as focal points for your gallery wall. These could be larger pieces or ones with particularly eye-catching colors or subjects. 5. Use templates or guides. To ensure your gallery wall is well balanced and symmetrical, consider using templates or guides. These can help you space out your frames evenly and achieve a professional-looking result. 6. Mix up the orientation. Experiment with hanging some frames vertically and others horizontally to add visual interest and break up the monotony. 7. Leave space between frames. Aim to leave a consistent amount of space between each frame to maintain a sense of cohesion and prevent the wall from looking cluttered. 8. Use removable adhesive hooks. If you're hesitant about putting holes in your walls or want the flexibility to change your gallery wall layout in the future, consider using removable adhesive hooks or picture hanging strips. By following these tips, you can create a gallery wall that not only showcases your favorite artwork but also enhances the overall look and feel of your space.